I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Take risks now and do something bold, you won't regret it. We're going to make it happen. I'd rather be optimistic and wrong, than pessimistic and right. You want to have a future where you expecting things to be better, not one where you're expecting things to be worse. Great companies are built on great products. When I was in college, I wanted to be involved in things that would change the world. Now I am. The idea of lying on a beach as my main thing just sounds like the worst. I like high intensity. Life is too short for long-term grudges. My biggest mistake is probably weighing too much on someone's talent and not someone's personality. I think it matters whether someone has a good heart. If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you're putting in 100-hour work weeks, then even if you redoing the same thing, you know that you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. Work like hell. I mean, you just have to put in 80 to 100-hour weeks every week. This improves the odds of success. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day. Otherwise, it's not. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. I take the position that I'm always to some degree wrong, and the aspiration is to be less wrong. Don't be afraid of new arenas. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. I think life on Earth must be about more than just solving problems. It's got to be something inspiring, even if it is vicarious. I could either watch it happen or be part of it. The first step is to establish that something is possible. The probability will occur.